Welcome class 7. Today again we will solve the problems from exercise 14a. So here we have the question number 20, which says use the adjacent figure to find x and its supplement. So here in the figure we can see that the angles are formed and each angles have the measurement of x, 2x, 3x and 4x. And the sum of these angles, if you add it up, it will be equal to a straight angle which is equal to 180 degree. So we'll use this data as x plus 2x, the second angle, third angle 3x plus 4x. If we add all these angles together, the sum will be equal to 180 degree. So if we add this, the left hand side, you'll get the sum total is equal to 10x, which is equal to 180 degree. In the next step, we'll take 10 in the right hand side. So x is equal to 180 degree divided by 10. Therefore, x is equal to 18 degree. Okay, so if x is 18 degree, we have to find x. So that's the first answer. And we have to find its supplement. So the supplement of x or supplement of 18 degree will be equal to 180 degree minus 18 degree. So when you subtract, you will get 162 degree, which is the supplement of 18 degree. So the first answer is 18 degree and the second answer is 162 degree. Next is question number 21, in which we have to find k in the given figure. So here, this is the question number 21-1, where the figure is given out here. The first angle is 90 degree. This one, as we can see, it's 90. The second one is 30 degree. This one is k minus 15 degree, and this one is k plus 150 degree. So here it's not 180 degree, but it's a complete whole angle. So that is 360 degree, which is made up of all these angles. So we'll take first this angle 30 degree plus k minus 15 degree, then k plus 150 degree down there, and this one is 90 degree, that is plus 90, which becomes equal to 360 degree. So simplifying this, in the next step we'll get k plus k is equal to 2k. 30 plus 150 plus 90 gives us 270 degree, and minus 15, because of different sign is kept like this, is equal to 360 degree. Simplifying further, we'll get 2k plus 270 minus 15 is 255 degree, which is equal to 360 degree. In the next step, this 255 comes towards right, so its sign changes, 360 minus 255 degree. So we'll get 2k is equal to 360 minus 255 is 105 degree. In the next step, k goes in the right hand side from here, so it is 105 degree divided by 2. So when you divide, you'll get 52.5 as the value of k. So here the answer k, okay, these angles k is equal to 52.5 degree, or you can say 52 degree 30 minutes. Next is question number 22. In the given figure, lines PQ, let's see, lines PQ, this line PQ, MN and RS, MN and this line RS intersect at point O. So this point is the point of intersection, which is named as point O. And these are the angles which are marked as X, Y and Z degrees. So here the ratio of X is to Y is given. X is to Y is 1:2 and Z is equal to 90 degree. So this angle Z is 90 degree. You have to find angle ROM, that is this angle. ROM means this measurement Y degree you have to find, and also you have to find angle POR. So POR is this angle which we have to find. Alright. So let's start with the solution. Here we'll start with the first given condition, which is x is to y is equal to 1 is to 2. So if they are in the ratio, then we can assume the two angles to be as x is equal to, with this 1 we can write a constant 1 into constant k, 1k, and y is equal to 2 means y will be equal to 2k. So 1k and 2k are simply k and 2k. Alright, now if we look here properly, they are all this straight lines. So when the straight lines intersect, then vertically opposite angles are formed. So here if this is x degree, then here also we'll get x degree, and similarly y degree means this angle is also equal to y degree, and if this is z degree, therefore this angle is also equal to z degree. So here we can see that all these angles, which is made up of 360 degree, the total is made up of these angles xyz plus xyz. Okay, so x plus y plus z plus x plus y plus z is equal to 360 degree. So here we get, simplifying, we get 2x and 2y plus 2z equals 360 degree. So taking 2 common, we will get 2 into x plus y plus z is equal to 360 degree, where 2 goes in the left hand side, in the right hand side, and divides 360. So you'll get x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. So this 2 divides 360 when it comes to the right hand side. So 180 is the result by dividing 360 divided by 2. So x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Now we know the value of x is 1k or simply k, value of y is 2k, and the value of z is given as 90 degree. So let's put these values as k plus 2k plus 90 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So k plus 2k becomes 3k, and 90 degree goes to the right. So 180 degree minus 90. So simply k is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree, and this 3 goes to the denominator. So 90 divided by 3 is equal to 30. So the value of k is equal to 30. Now we need to find angle ROM. Okay, and looking at the figure, we can see that ROM is equal to y degree, and the value of y degree is over here equal to 2k. And 2k means 2 into the value of k is 30. So 2 into 30, which is equal to 60 degree. So answer as angle ROM is equal to 60 degree is the first answer. Similarly, angle POR, which is equal to, looking at the figure, we can see POR is x degree because it's vertically opposite to this angle. Alright, so x degree, and the value of x is equal to 1k or simply k. So k is equal to 30 degree out here. So 30 degree is the measurement of angle POR. So we have got the answer as angle ROM is equal to 60 degree and angle POR is equal to 30 degree.